The next herb we're going to talk about is ginger. In Chinese, we refer to it as Sheng Jiang. That's the fresh ginger. We actually have slightly different properties with the different ways that we can prepare the ginger. So we've got things like the Sheng Jiang, which is the fresh ginger, which I've got here on the table. Then we have Ganjiang, which is actually a dried ginger. And then we have Paojiang, which is actually that it's toasted. And so we actually roast it a little bit to add some additional properties to it. So I'll talk about each one of the properties. So Sheng Jiang is my personal favorite. And we can use this specifically for nausea. So it's a wonderful thing that we can make a tea out of, or we can even chew on it if we really want a strong effect from that ginger. But the fresh ginger is best for nausea. We can use the Ganjiang, which is the dried ginger, to aid the digestion as well as to warm the abdomen. So a lot of times if you're always feeling cold in your belly from eating cold foods or raw foods, use the dried ginger, and it will actually help to warm that abdomen up and warm your stomach up and aid in your digestion. If you want to enhance that warming effect where it feels like there's an ice cube almost stabbing you in the stomach, then we actually go to the more extreme and the very, very warm one, and we use the Paojiang. We can even enhance it more if we just take off the skin. So if we just peel the skin off the ginger, we say the skin is the hottest part. We can even use that to make us break a sweat if we're trying to catch a cold. So ginger is a wonderful, wonderful herb that's safe to use, wonderful to cook with, and has so many uses from aiding in our digestion to using the fresh ginger to help with nausea.